know many feeling words in English, like happy, sad, nervous, or tired, but when you speak, you still sound too simple.
Yes, I usually say, I am happy, I am sad, or I am nervous. I know the words, but I do not always know how to explain my feelings clearly.
That is very common. Many English learners know emotion words, but they do not know natural English chunks.
So the problem is not only vocabulary, the problem is how I put the words together.
Exactly. Today, you will learn 5 simple chunks for talking about feelings naturally.
Great! I want to speak more clearly, especially when someone asks me, how are you feeling?
By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say how you feel, explain small emotions, talk about excitement, talk about worry, and say when your feeling changes.
That sounds useful for daily life, work, school, and conversations with friends.
Yes, today's goal is simple. Learn 5 chunks, practice them slowly, and use them in a real conversation.
I like that. 5 chunks only, not too many.
Let's imagine a real situation. Lena has an English presentation at work tomorrow.
Oh no, that sounds like me. I want to speak English, but I feel nervous before presenting.
Before the presentation, Lena talks with Alex at a coffee shop. She wants to explain her feelings clearly.
I do not want to say only, I am nervous. I want to sound more natural.
Perfect. In this story, you will hear today's 5 chunks.
I'm ready.
Chunk number 1 is I feel.
I feel.
This chunk is very useful because you can add an emotion after it. For example, I feel nervous. I feel happy. I feel tired.
So I can say, I feel nervous before my presentation.
Yes, it means you are explaining your emotion clearly.
When should I use it?
Use I feel when you want to talk about your emotion, your condition, or your mood.
What is a common mistake?
A common mistake is saying, I feel myself nervous. That sounds unnatural.
So I should say, I feel nervous.
Exactly. Better natural example, I feel nervous about my presentation.
I feel nervous about my presentation.
Chunk number 2 is I'm a little.
I'm a little.
This chunk makes your feeling softer. It means not very strong, just a small feeling.
Like, I'm a little tired?
Yes, you can say, I'm a little tired. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little confused.
This sounds more natural than only saying, I am tired.
Right. Use it when your feeling is not too strong.
What is the common mistake?
Some learners say, I'm little tired, but you need say, I'm a little tired.
I'm a little worried about tomorrow.
Good. Better natural example, I'm a little nervous, but I think I can do it.
I'm a little nervous, but I think I can do it.
Chunk number 4 is I'm excited about.
I'm excited about.
This chunk is for a positive feeling. It means you feel happy and interested about something in the future.
Can I say, I'm excited about my trip?
Yes, you can say, I'm excited about my trip, my new job, this lesson, or meeting my friend.
When should I use it?
Use I'm excited about before a noun or an activity with ing. For example, I'm excited about the meeting. I'm excited about learning English.
What is the common mistake?
A common mistake is saying, I'm exciting about my trip. But exciting describes the thing. Excited describes your feeling.
So I should say, I'm excited about my trip.
Exactly. Better natural example, I'm excited about speaking English more confidently.
I'm excited about speaking English more confidently.
Chunk number 5 is I feel better now.
I feel better now.
This chunk means your feeling has improved. Before, maybe you were sad, nervous, sick, or worried. Now, your feeling is better.
So after talking to a friend, I can say, I feel better now.
Exactly. Use it when someone helps you, when a problem becomes smaller, or when your mood improves.
What is the common mistake?
A common mistake is saying, I am feel better now. Do not use am before feel. Say, I feel better now.
I feel better now.
Better natural example, thanks for listening. I feel better now.
Thanks for listening. I feel better now.
Now, let's practice a real dialogue. Lena, imagine your presentation is tomorrow.
Okay, I feel nervous about my presentation tomorrow.
That is natural. Are you only nervous or very nervous?
I'm a little nervous, but I practiced a lot.
Good. Is there anything positive about it?
Yes, I'm excited about sharing my idea with the team.
Nice. And what is the main problem in your mind?
I'm worried about forgetting my words.
That is normal. Let's practice together one more time.
Thank you, Alex. I feel better now.
Excellent. You used all 5 chunks naturally.
I can feel the difference. My English sounds clearer.
Now it is your turn. Let's do shadowing practice. Listen and repeat after me. First, slow speed. I feel nervous.
I feel nervous.
I'm a little tired.
I'm a little tired.
I'm excited about learning English.
I'm excited about learning English.
I'm worried about my test.
I'm worried about my test.
I feel better now.
I feel better now.
Great. Now, normal speed. Repeat after me. I feel nervous about tomorrow.
I feel nervous about tomorrow.
I'm a little confused, but I understand more now.
I'm a little confused, but I understand more now.
I'm excited about this new opportunity.
I'm excited about this new opportunity.
I'm worried about making mistakes.
I'm worried about making mistakes.
Thanks. I feel better now.
Thanks. I feel better now.
Excellent. Now, natural speed. Try to copy the rhythm. I feel nervous, but I'm excited about the presentation.
I feel nervous, but I'm excited about the presentation.
I'm a little worried about my pronunciation.
I'm a little worried about my pronunciation.
Thanks for helping me. I feel better now.
Thanks for helping me. I feel better now.
Now let's do substitution drills. This helps you reuse the chunks in many situations.
Great. I want to learn how to change the sentence.
Start with I feel plus emotion. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel nervous. I feel calm.
I feel calm.
Now, I'm a little plus emotion. I'm a little busy. I'm a little sad. I'm a little confused. I'm a little nervous.
I'm a little confused.
Next, I'm excited about plus noun, or ing. I'm excited about my trip. I'm excited about the weekend. I'm excited about starting my new job. I'm excited about learning English.
I'm excited about learning English.
Next, I'm worried about plus noun, or ing. I'm worried about the exam. I'm worried about the meeting. I'm worried about being late. I'm worried about speaking too slowly.
I'm worried about speaking too slowly.
Finally, I feel better now. You can add a reason before it. I talked to my friend. I feel better now. I practiced more. I feel better now. I understand the lesson. I feel better now.
I understand the lesson. I feel better now.
Today, you learned 5 natural chunks for talking about feelings.
I feel, I'm a little, I'm excited about, I'm worried about, I feel better now.
Your mini challenge is this. Write one sentence in the comments using one of today's chunks.
For example, I'm excited about improving my English.
Or, I'm a little nervous, but I want to practice.
Do not worry about being perfect. Just practice one natural chunk.
Exactly. Small chunks can make your English sound much more natural.
I feel better now because I know how to talk about my feelings.
Subscribe to FluentMindee to learn English in natural chunks.